feel bored?
Really bored.
Really bored.
Super bored.
Super bored. Don't you know that even if it's raining, you can have fun outside?
Really?
Yeah!
Wow.
We're gonna have a paper boat race! But first, we have to make our...
Paper boat.
Do you know how to do a paper boat?
Nope.
No. Okay.
She's like 9 and I'm 5 still.
First step, you fold it in half
Okay.
towards you.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at folding paper. What? How is this possible? Step number 2.
So, okay. So, yes, I will help you. All right. Next step, you are going to do 2 folds and they should meet in the middle. So it's like a house. So 1 and then 2. So it's gonna look like this. So next step, if you see this part, you have to fold it
Oh, fold.
outwards.
Oh, it looks like a pattern pie. Okay, now where do I gotta fold this? The
Then
other
fold
side?
the other side outwards as well.
That's so cute. Let's finish. Oh my gosh, this is gonna unfold. You did it.
Yeah. So it's gonna look like a hat. All right. So 1, 2, 3. Next, we are going to spread it and
Fold?
fold it.
Oh,
It will look like a
diamond.
diamond. Lots of shapes.
Yeah. Oh, it could be like a diamond and a square. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Good job, Jacob. They're so smart. Okay. Put it down in the table. It's gonna be like a diamond shape. And then you fold it out both sides. Do the other side.
Oh,
What shape is this, Jacob?
triangle.
A triangle.
Yeah.
It's gonna be like this, right?
So
Triangle. And then you do that and spread again.
Wait,
So
how?
it's gonna look like diamond again.
Again, here we go. Miss Diamond is back.
Now you have to fold it out
Miss
one more
Diamond.
time.
Oh my gosh, so much steps. Oh, I can barely fold.
So much
mine.
folding. To fold on both sides.
I can barely fold my mouth.
It should look like this. And you see this part right here?
Yeah.
You spread it out.
Oh my
And
god.
keep spreading, but not so much. See, and you would see the shape of the boat.
Wait, how do
There you go.
Wait, is this?
Yup.
Oh, it's a beautiful boat. Lots of steps, but easy to do.
Are you ready to have the race?
You're on. Let's
Okay.
go.
All right.
It's raining, it's pouring, Mr. Jake is snoring. No! I did not make it up! 3, 2, 1, go. Thank you! No, you! Cheater! 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 No, 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 no. I'm not gonna cheat. Oh no. Hey, stop. Don't go in the water. You were picking the thing. Yes! Let's go! No. How do I still keep...
Ala!
Oh! notification bell. And subscribe. I said that already. You're supposed to say,